Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most unique and misunderstood American classics, the 1962 Chevrolet Corvair 900 Monza Spyder Convertible. A car that broke the rules, challenged tradition, and introduced turbocharging to everyday drivers long before it became mainstream. Let's explore its exterior, interior, performance, and what makes this Spyder truly unforgettable. Exterior. At first glance, the 1962 Corvair Monza Spyder Convertible stands out with its sleek, compact, and almost European-inspired design. Instead of the big, bold shapes typical of early 60s American cars, the Corvair took a smooth and streamlined approach. You get a low-slung body, curved edges, and a perfectly balanced stance. The Spyder Convertible enhances this with a soft top that folds neatly behind the rear seats, giving it a clean open-air look. The front end features dual headlights, a minimalist grille opening, and a simple chrome bumper that keeps the look elegant rather than loud. Along the sides, you'll notice the subtle character lines, vintage wheel caps, and just enough chrome trim to add style without overwhelming the design. And at the back, that classic Corvair look. Rounded taillights, a chrome bumper, and the signature engine ventilation cutouts that remind you, this isn't a normal front-engine car, it's rear-engined. Interior. Step inside, and the Corvair 900 Monza Spyder Convertible surrounds you with early 60s sportiness. The cabin is compact but thoughtfully laid out. You'll find bucket seats, a stylish chrome-accented dashboard, and one of the most exciting features, the Spyder-specific gauge cluster. This cluster includes a tachometer, cylinder head temperature gauge, manifold pressure gauge, fuel gauge, and a turbo boost indicator, features that made the driver feel like they were in a real performance machine. The steering wheel is thin, classic, and elegant. The dash uses brushed metal trim, and the soft top allows a good amount of sunlight, making the car feel airy and open. Everything inside feels simple, mechanical, and driver-focused, the true charm of a vintage American sports compact. Performance. Here's where the Spyder earns its name. Under the rear deck sits a 2.7-liter air-cooled flat-six engine, paired with a turbocharger, making it one of the first mass-produced turbocharged cars in America. The Spyder produced around 150 horsepower, which was impressive for its size and era. With its rear engine layout and light body weight, the Corvair delivered a unique driving feel. Strong boost when the turbo kicked in. Smooth acceleration. Balanced cornering thanks to the low center of gravity. The 4-speed manual transmission added to the sporty experience, and the independent suspension allowed handling that felt more European than American. While the Corvair was controversial in its time, enthusiasts today appreciate it for exactly what it was trying to be: innovative, lightweight, and fun to drive. Conclusion. The 1962 Chevrolet Corvair 900 Monza Spyder Convertible isn't just another classic car, it's a bold experiment from Chevrolet. It dared to be different, offering a turbocharged engine, rear-engine design, European-inspired handling, and a sporty convertible body. Today, the Spyder stands as a symbol of innovation ahead of its time. Whether you admire its engineering, its unique place in automotive history, or simply its vintage charm, the Corvair Spyder remains one of the most fascinating cars of the 1960s. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into an underrated classic, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive history and classic car features.